Alrighty, what's up you guys, and welcome to Natural State Box Breaks. We are just about set for our first of 4 breaks this afternoon. To appreciate you guys for joining in. Starting here with a 5 blaster box break of 2022 Bowman Baseball. Hope you guys are all doing well. Let's see here. Like I said, 4 breaks this afternoon. Coming up after this one at 4 p.m., we've got a select football hanger pack break. At 5 p.m., we've got an Optic Football 2020 and 2021 mixer break. And then at 6 p.m., we've got a 5 megabox break of 2022 Topps Chrome Baseball. So 2 baseball breaks, 2 football breaks. Should be a fun afternoon. At least I'm hopeful it'll be a fun afternoon. But 5 blasters, that's what you guys are here for. Do appreciate you guys like always. If it is your first time breaking with us, I will let you know all cards do ship. All rookie cards, inserts, parallels, prisms will be sleeved. First Bowmans will be sleeved. All cards do ship, like I said. And these cards will ship out to you guys first thing tomorrow. 5 blasters, there are 72 cards. In each box, you've got 12 cards per pack, 6 packs total for that 72 card total. Jordan Lawler, Wander Franco all over your box. You can see the retail exclusive green parallel cards along with all kinds of other different parallels and refractors. You get your paper hits, your chrome hits. You can see autographs, all kinds of different stuff in here. And like I said, all cards do ship. Got the sleeves and the top loaders ready, hoping for some big name prospects, some big first Bowman hits. And hopefully a lot of heat out of these boxes. I say it every time, but you can see we've had boxes with an autograph and 3 numbered cards. We've had boxes with 2 autographs. We've had boxes with no autographs and no numbered cards. So you can see anything from a lot to everything to nothing. Here's Joe Ryan on the rookie. Got a Josiah Gray. I'm going to raise this camera up just a little bit. Let's see if that helps me any. If I can do it without knocking the camera over. All right, here we go. Rodolfo Castro, he covers Connor Wong. Got a Josh Lau rookie card. There's Nelson Cruz, followed by Max Scherzer. Our first Bowman is Michael Escato. We've got Diego Velasquez. Hedbert Perez covers the first chrome of Felix Valerio and Luis Rodriguez for the Los Angeles Dodgers. Let's see, the very next pack, we've got Marcus Semien, rookie card, Seth Beer. There's Brandon Marsh, Jake Berger. Got a Jesse Winker, followed by Javier Baez. Hi-Fi Futures, Jordan Walker. There's a first Bowman paper, Colson Montgomery. Luis Gonzalez. There's Frankie Alvarez, Rodolfo Nolasco on the first chrome, and Brady Allen on the first chrome for the Miami Marlins. Nice first Bowman here for the Chi Sox. Colson Montgomery on the paper. Pack number 3, we've got Chris Bryant. There's Josh Donaldson. Jared Kelenic, he covers Garrett Cole. Got a Jose Barrero. Our Bowman in 3D, that's Yoelqui Cespedes. We've got a top 100 of Gunnar Henderson for Baltimore. There's Raquelvin DeCastro. Vera for the Angels. Got a first Bowman, Brandon Valenzuela. First chrome of Vivas, and a chrome Benny Montgomery for the Colorado Rockies. Pack numero 4, we've got Nick Madrigal, Matt Chapman. There's Dylan Carlson, followed by Paul Goldschmidt, Alec Bohm. Got a Ryan Mountcastle. Our rookie of the year favorites is Cal Raleigh. Got a first Bowman, Christian Roa. Vivas to the Dodgers. There's Preciado to the Cubs. First chrome, Dustin Harris and Logan Cerny, Philadelphia Phillies. Sleeve and top load, Dustin Harris for Texas. Pack number 5, we've got Freddie Freeman, Juan Soto. There's Marcus Semien, a rookie, Seth Beer. We've got Brandon Marsh, Jake Berger. There's a Vibrations, Brady House. First Bowman, Jose Ramos, Jeremy Vargas. There's our first Curtis Mead, Misiel Gonzalez on the first Bowman chrome, and Marcelo Meyer on the chrome for Boston. Sleeve and top load, Curtis Mead for Tampa. And our last pack of the first box. Wow. No numbered card. Here's Aaron Judge. Aaron Ashby on the rookie. You got a Luke Williams, followed by Ryan Velade. Luis Gil. There's Edward Cabrera. Our top 100, that is Gabriel Marino for Toronto. Got a Justice Thompson, Tyler Soderstrom, He covers Esteban Machado, first chrome, Hendry Mendez, and Dario Lopez for Pittsburgh. So, like I said, you can see a lot of good stuff. You can see a lot of nothing out of these boxes. That first box, no auto, no numbered card. Did see some nice prospects. There's the empty second blaster. And pack number 1. We start with Joe Adell. Got a Yadier Molina followed by Jacob deGrom. Corey Seager covers a rookie of Lars Nootbaar. We've got Brian De La Cruz. Top 100, Marco Luciano. There's Ronier Quintero. Jeremy Vargas. Got another Curtis Mead paper. Averson Arteaga on the first chrome. And Christian Hernandez for the Chicago Cubs. We'll sleeve and top load our second Curtis Mead for Tampa. Here's Vital Brujan. Got our first Wander Franco rookie. Jonathan India. There's Bryce Harper, Fernando Tatis, and George Springer. We've got another Cal Raleigh, Rookie of the Year favorites. Robert Hassel covers Tyler Soderstrom. Got an Esteban Machado, first Bowman. Roysmar Quintana, first chrome. And Jose Rodriguez, first chrome for the Texas Rangers. Here's Wander Franco on paper. Here is Carlos Correa, Whit Merrifield. Got a rookie card, Matt Vierling. Shane Baz covers Jackson Kowar. Gavin Sheets. Got a Vibrations of Wilman Diaz. First Bowman, Andre Lara. There's Sal Frelick. Zayad Salinas. Vera on the first chrome. And Pedro Leon on the chrome for Houston. Next pack, Juan Yepes. There's Miguel Cabrera, Ke'Bryan Hayes. Got a Randy Arozarena. Rookies, Matt Manning and Colton Welker. We've got a top 100, Garrett Mitchell. Paper, Wilman Diaz. There's J-Rod. Got an Isaac Pacheco and our chromes, Jackson Chorio and Denzer Guzman for the Angels. We'll sleeve and top load our first Jackson Chorio for the Milwaukee Brewers. That is on the chrome. Pack number 5, we've got J-Ram, Albert Pujols. There's Jazz Chisholm, Jorge Soler, got a Ketel Marte, Yordan Alvarez, and a rookie of Jarren Duran. There's Henry Davis, Zach Veen, Dario Lorenzo, got a PA first chrome, and Shaylin Polanco on the chrome for Pittsburgh. That takes us to pack number 6. Dud of a couple boxes. There's Kyle Mueller, Spencer Strider, got a Shohei Ohtani, JD Martinez covers Frankie Lindor, got a Joey Gallo, High Five Futures, Luis Matos, there's Malcolm Nunez, Lou Rod, got a James Wood paper, Luis Verdugo first, and Michael Triana for Cincinnati. We'll sleeve and top load James Wood for Slam Diego. And that will take us on into blaster box number 3. I will tell you guys next week, I'm not positive what the break schedule will look like. Thinking we're going to have a majority of Facebook breaks as I'll be out of town. We've got a case of 2022 Immaculate Baseball coming in later this week. I think we'll rip next week via Facebook. Also got a case of 2022 Gold Rush Mystery Baseball jersey boxes. There's 6 mystery jerseys in that case. And I think we'll do that on Facebook as well. Here's Shohei. Got a JD Martinez. Frankie Lindor covers Joey Gallo, Jose Altuve, and Charlie Blackmon. Got a top 100 Edward Cabrera. There's Ricardo Genovis on the first Bowman. Julio Rodriguez. There's Isaac Pacheco. First chrome Junior San Quentin. And Frankie Alvarez for the New York Mets. Pack number 2. There's Bobby Dalbec, Adolis Garcia. We've got a rookie of Otto Lopez, Reed Detmers. There's O'Neal Cruz, Ronald Acuna Jr., our rookie of the year favorites. That's Rodolfo Castro. Jack Sawinski on the first Bowman. There's Zach Veen, Dory Lorenzo. Got a Peyton Wilson, first chrome, and Luis Gonzalez on the first chrome for Baltimore. Still looking for our first numbered card in this one. Here's Giancarlo Stanton, Nolan Arenado, got a Cody Bellinger, Joey Votto covers up, Bo Bichette, got an Anthony Rizzo, Vibrations of Jairo Pomares, there's Felix Valerio, Luis Rodriguez covers another James Wood, Alvin Guzman on the first chrome, and Jeter Downs for Boston. It's our second James Wood of the break for San Diego. All right, we finally got a hit coming. I think it's a sky blue. Oswaldo Cabrera on the first paper. There's Torkelson. Luis Verdugo got a first chrome Esteban Machado and a chrome Brennan Davis. There's Christian Yelich, Kyle Lewis, Hyun-Jin Ryu, got an Andrew Vaughn, Xander Bogaerts, and behind Pete Alonso, we have a rookie. That's a Brewer, Aaron Ashby on the sky blue, 244 out of 499 for the Brew Crew. Our first numbered card of the break out of 5 boxes. It comes in box number 3. It took quite a bit to get our first numbered card, and it's a sky blue. We'll sleeve and top load Oswaldo Cabrera for the New York Yankees as well. Pack number 5. We got a chrome hit coming up. That is a refractor of some sort, and we've got a lime green. Here's Andrew Benintendi. Rookie Joe Ryan. There's Josiah Gray, Rodolfo Castro, Connor Wong, and Josh Lau. Got a Hi-Fi Futures, Brady House. There's Ian Lewis on the first. Austin Martin covers up our lime green. That's Frankie Alvarez, New York Metropolitans, 85 out of 399. And behind Ellie De La Cruz, we got a first Bowman refractor, Carlos Aguilar, 411 out of 499 for the Minnesota Twins. We'll sleeve and top load all these. Very nice pack there, and this is a perfect example of how these boxes can be. They can have nothing, and they can have quite a bit. Nice box so far. We still got one more pack to go. Last pack of box number 3. We start with Manny Machado. There's a rookie, Hoy Park, Cal Raleigh, Alejo Lopez, and Mike Trout. Got a base, Luis Roberts. Top 100, Luis Matos. There's a George Valera first Bowman. Alan Cerda covers Denzer Guzman. Jordan Walker chrome, and Simon Muzziotti on the first chrome for Philadelphia. So a very good second half to that third box. Hoping that means the second half of this break will be much better than the first. And here we go, blaster box number 4. We get another box with quite a few hits. Pack number 1. We start with Rodolfo Castro. There's Connor Wong, Josh Lau, Nelson Cruz covers Max Scherzer, and Chris Bryant. We've got a Rookie of the Year favorites, Gavin Sheets. Rodolfo Nolasco, first Bowman. There is Cooper Kinney. Alejandro P.A. covers Logan Cerny on the first chrome, and Misiel Gonzalez for the Chicago White Sox. Pack number 2. We start with Jake Berger. Here's Jesse Winker. Got a Javi Baez. Nick Madrigal covers Matt Chapman. Dylan Carlson. There's a Vibrations of Brady House. Matt Frazier, first Bowman. There's Yolqui Cespedes. Diego Cartea. Got a Hendry Mendez, first chrome. And Jordan Lawler on the chrome for the Arizona Diamondbacks. Pack number 3, we got Josh Donaldson, Jared Kelenic. There's Garrett Cole, Jose Barrero, Freddie Freeman, and Juan Soto. We've got a top 100 of Xavier Edwards. There's a Max Muncy first paper, Heriberto Hernandez. There's Alvin Guzman, Dario Lopez, and Nico Cavadas for the Boston Red Sox. Sleeve and top load our first Max Muncy first Bowman for the Oakland Athletics. This pack, we got Paul Goldschmidt, Alec Boehm. There's Ryan Mountcastle, Aaron Judge. Got a rookie card, Aaron Ashby, Luke Williams. There's Ryan Velade. First Bowman, Michael Escato. There's Jeter Downs. First Bowman, Angelis. Got a Mackie Backstrom first chrome, and Colton Cowser on the chrome for the Baltimore Orioles. Pack number 5, got another Sky Blue. There's a Hi-Fi Futures, Brady House. Colson Montgomery paper, there's Anthony Rodriguez, Nico Cavadas, got a first chrome, Brian Bello, Robbie Martin Jr., there's Marcus Semien, Seth Beer on the rookie, got a Brandon Marsh, Jake Berger, and behind Jesse Winker, it's another Sky Blue. It's a Cardinal, Paul Goldschmidt, St. Louis Cardinals, 495 out of 499 for the Redbirds. Congratulations to whoever has St. Louis in this one. Nice hit there. Got our first Brian Bello with a break. That's on the first Bowman Chrome for Boston. And another Colson Montgomery for the Chicago White Sox. Now to our last pack of box number 4. We start with Luis Gil. There's Edward Cabrera. Jose Abreu covers Mookie Betts, Ha-Seong Kim, and Vladdy Jr. We've got a top 100 of Tyler Freeman. There is Raquelvin DeCastro, Pete Crow Armstrong, got an Alexander Ramirez, Reginald Preciado, and Marcelo Meyer for the Boston Red Sox. And that takes us to our final 72 cards of the break. Our 5th and final blaster. The last 2 boxes have had some hits for us. Still no autograph. Maybe this box will have some numbered cards and an autograph. That's what I'm hoping for. Pack number 1. We start with Jose Abreu. There's Mookie Betts, Ha-Seong Kim, Vladdy Jr., and Joe Adell. Got a Bowman in 3D of J-Rod for Seattle. There's a top 100 Riley Green. Mackie Backstrom on the first Bowman. There's Brandon Valenzuela. Vivas. Got a first Chrome PA. And Marco Luciano for the San Francisco Giants. Full sleeve and top load Julio Rodriguez on the Bowman in 3D. Nice hit there. Pack number 2. We start with O'Neal Cruz. There's Ronald Acuna, Giancarlo Stanton, got a Nolan Arenado, Cody Bellinger, and Joey Votto. Our rookie of the year favorites, that's Brandon Marsh. Jay Allen, there's Preciado, Jeremy Vargas, got a first Chrome Luis Verdugo, and Michael Triana for the Cincinnati Reds. Pack number 3, there's Yachty. Jacob deGrom, got a Corey Seager. Rookie card, Lars Nootbaar, Brian De La Cruz, Vinyl Brujan, got a Vibrations, Kevin Alcantara. First Bowman, Luca Tresh. There's another Curtis Mead. Tyler Soderstrom covers the Chrome, Isaac Pacheco, and Julio Rodriguez for the Seattle Mariners. Sleeve and top load Curtis Mead for Tampa Bay. Pack number 4, we've got Bo Bichette, Anthony Rizzo. There's Manny Machado. Rookie card of Hoy Park. There's Cal Raleigh, Alejo Lopez. We've got a top 100, Mackenzie Gore. Rafaela on the first Bowman. There's Esteban Machado. Sal Frelick. Got a Benjamin Bailey first Chrome. And Ronier Quintero for the Chicago Cubs. All right, pack number 5. We've got a hit coming up. Looks like another refractor of some sort. We got 2 hits. 2 hits in that pack. I'm going to assume that's going to be an autograph of some sort. I'm assuming. 2 hits in that pack for sure, though. We'll save it till the end. Here's Mike Trout. Got a Luis Roberts, Christian Yelich. Here's Kyle Lewis, Hyun-Jin Ryu, and Andrew Vaughn. Got a Hi-Fi Futures, J-Rod. There's C.J. Abrams, Isaac Pacheco. Got a Zach Veen. First Chrome, Jonathan Klaus. And Junior Sanchez, Miami Marlins. All right. We've got 2 hits. We'll move that one to the back. And I'm going to move this one to the back. All right, here we go. We've got Wander Franco. There's Jonathan India, Bryce Harper, Fernando Tatis. Got a George Springer, Carlos Correa. There's a first Bowman, Carlos Aguilar, Salinas. We've got another J-Rod. And let's see. Bobby Witt Jr. is going to cover up our first hit. That's a refractor first Bowman of Benjamin Bailey. And then he's going to cover up a hit. And it's a Chrome autograph. Uriel Angelis, Slam Diego Padres. That's the on-card Chrome auto. I was wondering why it looked different, and that's because it was backwards. There we go. So we get an autograph in the last box. And outside of those first 2 boxes, this was a pretty good break, if you ask me. We'll sleeve and top load Wander as well. End up with 1 autograph, and we had ended up with a good number of numbered cards, if I can say that. 2 refractors. Usually don't see a whole lot of those. We see more paper numbered cards than anything. Let's see here. We'll do a quick recap for you guys. Before you hop out of here, we got, and I didn't even top load that Wander. I just sleeved it up. Losing my mind, I guess. Here we go. We got Wander on the rookie. Curtis Mead first. There's a J-Rod Bowman in 3D. Base Colson Montgomery. Brian Bello Chrome. There's a Max Muncy paper. Matt Frazier paper. George Valera paper. Chrome Ellie De La Cruz. Paper Oswaldo Cabrera. James Wood ×2. Jackson Chorio Chrome. There's another base Wander. Curtis Mead ×2. Chrome Dustin Harris and another Colson Montgomery. On our papers, we got 2 Sky Blues. Got the lime green Frankie Alvarez to $3.99. The Sky Blue Aaron Ashby and Paul Goldschmidt. Those are at a $4.99. 2 refractors at a $4.99. Both first Bowmans, Carlos Aguilar and Benjamin Bailey. And then we got the base Chrome first Bowman autograph on card blue ink. Uribe Angelis, Slam Diego Padres. That is the shortstop prospect signed in 2018 with San Diego. Ended up not being a bad break. We had 3 chrome hits and 3 paper hits. That's 6 hits total out of 5 boxes. It evened out, but those first 2 boxes could have helped us out. But anyways, appreciate you guys for joining in. We got 3 more breaks coming up this afternoon at 4 o'clock. That's Select Football. It's a hanger pack break. At 5 o'clock, it's a 2020 and 2021 Optic Football Mixer. And then our 6 o'clock p.m. Central Time break is a 5 megabox break of 2022 Topps Chrome Baseball. If you guys have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to us on eBay or send us a message right here on the Natural State Box Breaks Facebook group. Y'all have a great rest of your evening. Have a safe remainder of your week, and we'll see you guys in the next one.